If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the Riot client, go to the Valorant section, and find the option to verify game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that helps with stability. Sometimes high settings can cause performance issues on certain hardware. Start with lower settings and gradually increase them to find a balance. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that may consume a lot of system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games that could interfere with Valorant. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Valorant. This process can resolve persistent issues by ensuring that you have a fresh installation of the game without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.